I did some damage. I got a Monstera Albo, guys. I'm interested to see what kind of soil the previous owner had potted this Albo in. Alright. Oh wow. So it looks like it's just regular potting mix with extra perlite in there. The roots are crazy. There's some like moss pieces here. It looks like it was grown in moss once upon a time. Okay, I had to move out of the sun because it was getting really hot. So I'm gonna use this pot here. I also have a soilless potting mix, chunky mix. I will be repotting it into there as well. Yeah, some of these bits and pieces in there. I was gonna use this container, but the root structure is just big, so I can't really use that. I'm gonna use this instead. Something more aesthetically pleasing. There's a lot of roots in there. Down the line, I will repot it into a clear container, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it in this nursery pot. Tap, tap. I'm also going to be adding extra pumice to the top of this, just to hold the soil in place. All right. Now let's water it in. Make sure it's not hot water. Sometimes the hose gets really hot during the summer and hot water will come out. I'm gonna wash the leaves as well. Let this dry. I went to Home Depot the other day in the evening and I found a plant that is pretty common now, but hard to find looking healthy, until I got this. This is a Philodendron White Wizard. It's highly variegated. Look at this leaf. It's so pretty. And this half moon yin yang leaf. That is stunning. This is the tag here. And I and I ended up getting two of these. One is for my friend and one is for me. I called her and she was like, "Yeah, get me one." And I was like, "Okay."